What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. WWE The Undertaker. So this was requested by Alex. He's a member. He was a patron for a long time. Sorry for the delay, Alex. Super busy right now. Life is crazy. I am sorry. But we got there in the end. I'm not forgetting about Supergirl either. So let's try and draw this. God, he looks intense. He's still wrestling, right? Is it just me? Or is that my imagination? Is he still going or is he retired? I don't follow wrestling that much, but... Anyway, landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. Big crazy eyes. Let's go. So diagonal first. And kind of across the top. And then down the back. His bottom eyelid just comes in then. Underneath and over. And he's got like a very, very sort of dark sort of eye makeup, you know. Kind of a heavy black line around. So he's kind of looking down at us, right? So now his eyes are white sometimes, like he does this eye roll thing. If you want to leave them white, you can. But if you're looking for like the real sort of guy, you carve it up and down. And then pupil just in there. And then, so he's got an eyelid line that comes across here. And he does have like some wrinkles just on the side of his eye there because he is an older gentleman now. The Undertaker. Okay, does he have eyebrows? I'm going to guess he does have eyebrows. So we'll give him eyebrows. So it goes like up this way and maybe like down the back a bit. I imagine he does. They're not heavy eyebrows, so it's kind of up to you what way to do that. Probably look weird without eyebrows though. We'll go over and do the other eye. So we're about eye width across. Measure that eye. Come over that much. Next eye, we'll start there. And then this one kind of goes down a bit, diagonal. And then we'll go around the bottom. And again, this is kind of like a thick line because of the eye makeup. Kind of a dark, heavy eyelid. And then he has another eyelid line over the top as well. Comes down the back, some wrinkles. And then the iris, again, looking down at us. So just imagine you're like drawing a circle, but it's got the bottom cut off. And then just pupil in there. Boom, boom, boom. And then eyebrow again. I assume he has them. So we'll just go across, down the back. Kind of like that. And then, so he's got like lots of like wrinkles in the middle of his forehead, kind of, just kind of like this. And then the bridge of it looks like he's had his nose broke a couple of times. So because it like bends out that way. Then there's like bags under his eyes. His nose then. There. Then we can see his nostrils. Dark nostrils. And they come together in the middle. And the skin of them just around there. And then his cheeks are, you know, kind of these long. He's intimidating looking, I'll give him that. His nose is unusual. It's hard to draw wrestlers like who have broken noses and stuff because they just looks weird. Right, and then so his mouth, so real downturned, like crazy looking sort of mouth, like his top lip. And then the bottom lip is real, like, thin, like real small. And he does have a beard, like, just in there, but I'll probably draw that all at once. And he's a big chin. So, like, these lines of his face kind of join his chin a bit. So, like, he has a Thanos chin. Like, it's like a big chin. So, like, it's real big. So it's like down here. And it's kind of bumpy. Like a real big chin. Did I mention it's a real big chin? Okay, like it is that big in the picture, so. And then like his jaw comes out to about there, and then up towards the side of his face, right? Like it does remind me of Thanos. So then we get like his sideburn, you know, his hair just here. And then his ears. And some ear lines just inside. Same on this side, pretty much. So he has like not a full beard, but like a goatee sort of facial hair. So it like comes around his mouth. So you can draw full beard or each individual hair. I think it's probably easier to go with like a sort of an edge, right? A wraparound, and then do like brown in the middle. If you know what I mean. So like come around like a zigzag sort of line. And like on the top part of his lip as well. As opposed to having to draw each individual hair. But it's very short. It's not like it's like a shaved. But it's generally you just color this brown on the inside of that. You could do like some textures in it if you wanted. And let it just be sort of brown in there. All right, so his hair continues up underneath his hat, which comes down over his long hair, sort of. So it like starts here, and then like his hair seems to come out from there, right? So this is like long wavy hair then. So he's very long hair traveling down that way. But we'll finish the hat first, maybe. So the rim of it sort of dips in, so it like goes right down towards his sort of frowning forehead there. And then it goes around the back, so it curves a good bit. And it has a rim, right? So it has like an outer edge as well. But we'll just do the inside one first. Goes behind his hair. And then, so the rim, so the outer edge, so we just go around again basically. And then the round part, just either side. It's like a bowler hat sort of. And then it has, right, so it has like a little bit that comes across there, and then the black curving part. Like so. And then the rest of his hair. So we'll do all these hairlines. Bum, bum, bum. So just like wavy sort of coming down. There's a bit sitting on his shoulder here. That's all wavy, just spike out a little bit down the bottom. Same over here. Yeah, and if you want like textures inside here, then so he's got quite a wide neck. So I'm pretty sure like this is the width of his neck. So like neck here, do you know? And then he's got like just huge neck muscles. And these neck muscles always go into the center line of your chest. And he has like very big chest muscles also. And then a leather jacket, so and wide shoulders, so going off that far. Ain't no wrestler like the Undertaker. Iconic. This is just the jacket lines, you know, the inside of the jacket there. This is just the collar, you know, that sort of collar thing. And it's a leather jacket, so like he could beat it up a little bit. There he is. The Undertaker. What a legend. And Alex is a legend too. Thanks for the support, bro. Thanks for becoming a member after Patreon as well. I'm just not doing the request thing. So sorry about that. I'll get Supergirl done though, I promise. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.